Welcome to my YouTube channel Airdrop World. Friend, new project Katina X is a new project, named project. So here is their token and their details. So it is a DeFi project. Katina will be deployed the latest advances in blockchain technology to promote the widespread adoption of DeFi, which seeks centralized exchanges multi-chain bridge protocol. Holder will be able to transact seamlessly between different blockchains. So here is their name project. Their token is already listed, which is named as CEXX named token. You can we can find it on coin market cap. So if we check their details, their token price is $0.5 per Katinax coin. Their volume distributive volume is also very good, market cap is good, and the main important thing is that their maximum supply is very low. Their maximum supply is just 63 million, so it is comparatively very low. Maximum supply is 63 million, and their total supply will be 31 billion and 500, so 500,000. So this is their main feature, and we can check uh, their token price will be when they list their when this token is listed. Their token price is list with their $7 price, and now it is available with the 0.5 dollar price. It means that it is available at very cheap price. So if we buy it from here, we can sell it easily, can sell it from $2 to $3 in mid term holding. So so you can check their details. Katina X and Katina X airdrop is, so there are all the details. If we check their markets, we can commit and click on market. Then it is we can check that it is available on PancakeSwap. We can easily buy it from here. So PancakeSwap. So create a crypto wallet. We can buy it through connect MetaMask or Trust Wallet, and then add it on contract address and buy it from these wallets. Their total supply, their current supply, their 50% of their total supply will be for 15% for core members and founder. Their 25% of their supply is for development fund. Their 5% is for airdrop and bounties, 5% is for community grants, 30% their total supply is about 9 million. That is for liquidity pool, and their 20% of their supply that is locked until 20% until December 20 2024. It means that their price will pump in future. So Katinax token properties: governance, burnable, mintable. DEX features yield farming, automated market maker, EMM. Assets are traded in a permissionless and automatic way using liquidity pool instead of orders book bridge. The platform will provide a bridging service between multiple assets blockchain with the ultimate goal of connecting most of the existing major blockchains. So these are all their features. If we can check um, their social media profile, it means their Twitter account. Their Twitter account is very active. You can check that before a few days they have announced a competition of holding competition in which $50 is sent to every 5 lucky winners. Requirements to enter is $50 sets in your wallet until November 2021, and winner will be chosen randomly. So now this event is end up. So community incentives. So these are all their feature of their project. I hope you that this project will be will pump their project price will pump in future, because it is a DeFi project and there is a strong community. So I hope you like this project. Thank you for watching my video.